Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with Steam not downloading your game, stick around. I'm going to walk you through some simple fixes that can help resolve the issue. First, let's start by opening the Steam app. Once you're in, click on Steam at the top left corner and then choose Settings. From there, go to the Download section. The first thing we need to do is adjust the download region. Make sure it's set to a server near your location. For instance, I'm in London, so I'll select a nearby server. Just make sure you pick one close to where you are currently. Next, head to the Storage tab on the left. Click the three dots and select Repair Library. This will scan your Steam app and check for any problems. If it finds any issues, it will try to fix them automatically. Once the scan finishes and everything looks good, close that window and return to the Download section. Now, we need to adjust a couple more settings. First, uncheck the option for throttle downloads while streaming, as it can sometimes interfere with downloading games. Next, scroll down and find the option to clear download cache. Go ahead and click that, and then confirm. Steam will ask you to log back in. Just log in again and check if the issue is resolved. If that didn't fix the problem, we'll need to check your firewall settings. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and select Windows Defender Firewall. From there, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Change Settings button and scroll down to find Steam in the list. Make sure both private and public are checked. If you don't see Steam listed, click Allow another app, then browse to where Steam is installed, typically in the C drive under Program Files x86. Inside the Steam folder, locate the Steam executable file, double-click it, and hit Add. After that, make sure both private and public are checked, then press OK to save the changes. Another step you can take is clearing your network cache. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following command, ipconfig/flush DNS, and hit Enter. Then close the command prompt window. If that still doesn't solve the issue, try updating your network drivers. Head to the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If any outdated drivers are found, it will update them. Close the windows once it's done. The last resort is to reinstall Steam if none of the previous steps worked. Go to the Start menu and search for Programs, then click Add or Remove Programs. Scroll down to find Steam in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Once uninstalled, search for Run in the Start menu, open it, and type %local app data % and hit Enter. Look for the Steam folder and, if it's there, right-click and delete it. Then visit the official Steam website and reinstall the app. Hopefully, after following these steps, your problem will be fixed and you can get back to downloading games on Steam. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.